Hi, I'm Marcia with OSA Tropical Properties. Welcome to my listing 4265 in Tres Rios. It has just a little over 2 acres. Here is the house from the driveway. There's a carport over here. Will fit 2 cars. A gate. And up there, a beautiful mountain view. Let's go on into the house. As you walk in the front door, you walk into a large great room, and you can immediately see what a fantastic view this property has. This is the great room, high ceilings. It has a galley-style kitchen, which is really large. Gas stove, 2 sinks, a lot of cupboards, 2 ovens, and a microwave, a lot of preparation area. There's the pool out there. And on this side is your other sink and a dishwasher. Really a great kitchen for somebody who loves to cook. Opposite the kitchen and great room is a half bath. Now we'll walk out into the patio. There is actually 2 dining areas, an inside one and an outside one. And look at that view. It's just amazing. All the way out to Osa Peninsula. You will get 365 sunsets here all year round. I'm just zooming in for you and having another look at the view. This is a more realistic shot of what it looks like in person. Isn't that just amazing? Just down these stairs, there is a separate building site with an ocean view where you can build a guest house and still have an ocean view. Here's another look at the patio. A lot of comfortable places to sit, a breeze here, fans. Into the great room. Off the patio, you come to a master bedroom. It also joins to the great room. It has a full bath. Also, it has a reading area for sitting in the evening, reading or watching TV. There is a large size walk-in closet here. On the other side of the great room is a bedroom with twin beds. For your guests or for children that come to visit. It has a full bath attached to it, and it also has this incredible ocean view. Another full bath. North side of the house, you come to a large laundry room. And it has an extra fridge, a lot of counter space, a sink. Walking from the front entrance, you come to the second master bedroom. It has a bathroom behind it. And it also has its own patio. Walking out to the patio, you find a really beautiful mountain view with one of those ceibo trees right ahead there. Look at that mountain. And then you come to the ocean. You're going to have a sunset view from this patio. There is always a nice breeze here. Walking into the bedroom from the patio area. Behind the bed is a really large bathroom, double sinks, shower, toilet. The other building in the front area houses the fourth bedroom. It's a small room with 2 beds and a closet. Thank you for joining me for listing 4265, 4-bedroom house with a fantastic ocean view and an equally as nice mountain view. Email Marcia at Osa Tropical Properties for any additional information.